check this fucking tornado, hurricane, whatever it is. Look at all the debris flowing in the sky there. This is Belito past the toll gates. Look at this thing. It is so huge. For this to be here, look at the wind. Oh fuck, we need to get out of the storm, my baby. Look at it, look at it, look at it. We're gonna get hail here now. This is such a fuck up. Oh my gosh.
Just end the video, please.
This is just past the airport. The road going down to West Brooke. Every tree has literally been demolished and completely blocked the road. It's like a tornado has come through here. Must have been. Unreal scenes.
Hi, this is Seated Secondary School. We just got hit with a massive tornado whilst walking. Here's my car under the shelter, and this is what's left of our school. It's one block. Here's our walkways. Most of the trees have been uplifted. That's our third block up there. Roof totally destroyed. Totally destroyed. Nothing left on the third block. Here's our admin block. Roof is torn apart. I'm fortunate to be unharmed as I was moving my car when the structure had fallen. Just thank God for our safety.
The tornado. It is making landfall by Victoria Hospital, it looks like. Please be careful. It looks like it's heading towards Clifton now. The hail is chaotic, guys. This is flippin' chaotic. I'm sorry. Please be careful, guys. Wherever you all are, Tongaat, please be careful. This is madness. This is utter madness. That's coming in.
Iqhamuka phezulu mina ngithi mina yini leyo wathi umoya ngaze yini lo wami manje mhlambe ngiza
Gezwa ugesi ile nto esikhombisa yona siyahamba sesongena imoto
Hey Bo,
lathi asesifile
ngiyaqala ke namhlanje. Sasa bangenazo zindlela, sisenkingeni. Hello,